Okay, willkommen zurück. Das ist Part 2, Teil 2 von der Wiederholung von Kapitel 5 in Deutsch im Blick. Wir waren bei Nummer 6 hier. So mit Halloween sind diese Vokabeln nicht in dem Kapitel. So we haven't talked about vocabulary for getting dressed up and going trick-or-treating and everything like that. Because Halloween is not really a holiday that's celebrated in Germany. So while that may be a more honest answer for me for this question, I'm going to write another example for you guys that might be more applicable for you for the test. So, wir haben hier eine andere Antwort. Mein Lieblingsfeiertag ist Weihnachten. Ich habe meine Familie besucht. Wir haben Geschenke gegeben. You could use gegeben if you know that one from the verb geben, to give. Oder ausgetauscht. This is to exchange. Ausgetauscht. That would be a better word. Or you can leave out the presents part. You can say, wir haben Geschenke gekauft. We bought presents. That could be another option. Let's see. Wir haben viel gegessen. Let's see. Wir haben das Haus dekoriert. Wir haben den Tannenbaum geschmückt. So you can use Tannenbaum oder Weihnachtsbaum. Sie sind gleich, ja. Weihnachtsbaum, just it's Christmas tree versus the kind of tree that it is. Yeah, so. Da gibt's ein besseres Beispiel. Okay, für die Possessivpronomen. So these you just have to memorize, and I'm sure you have already. So for ich, you say mein, and you're going to add whatever ending you would need in the sentence. The du form is dein, er form sein, sie becomes ihr, so she, and then her, possessive. Es, sein, so this is like its, that's like his. Mein, so we've got wir, unser for our. Ihr is euer. Sie, we've got ihr again for both forms of sie. So remember that this one gets capitalized because it's the formal form. Okay. So now that you have, if you know the stem form of the possessive pronoun, then you're going to add endings following these patterns down here. So as an example, we have it with kein. So kein has the same endings as all the possessive pronouns and the same ones as ein as well. We call them ein words collectively. So it's ein, kein, and the possessives. So for masculine in nominative, you have kein with no ending, keine for feminine, kein for neutrum, and keine for plural. So is it going to be any different for these? Nope. So ihr, it's going to be regular, just no ending at all. Feminine has the e, neutrum nothing, plural e. Same here. So ein has no ending for masculine and neuter, and then it has the e ending for feminine. Of course, there is no plural of ein, right? Because ein means one, and that just doesn't make any sense at all. Okay. Als nächstes Akkusativ. So, Akkusativ Maskulinum. Was ist die Endung? We can start with ein because you're probably most familiar with the ein endings. So if it's masculine accusative, an, Femininum, immer noch. Ein doesn't change. So, an für Maskulinum Akkusativ. That's across the board. Of course, feminine is going to have the E across the board. Neuter is still going to have no ending at all. And Plural hat die E-Endung. So, das sind die Endungen für Einwörter. Ich hoffe, dass diese Wiederholung viel geholfen hat und viel Glück mit dem Test. Tschüss!